So starting another video, another billionaire trading season, day 3, I think. And today is going to be probably like a really short video because on the on those past like few days there was just like short videos because most of my work I did on the weekend, and on the weekend I did not record it for some reason. So today I'm gonna be looking at some positions that I did take, and I'm gonna be looking at some pairs that may be interesting for the week or not, right? So I took this AUD and ZD position, and something that it is like really looking good. It was almost at 1-to-1 risk to reward, or it was actually it was a 1-to-1 risk to reward early in the morning. Right now he's like retracing, and yeah, this looks good. There is nothing that I can say about it. We're gonna just like run it. I would like to run this position to at least 1 to 3, 1 to 4 risk to reward, because I don't wanna be like not taking the most of my trades. Of course you cannot like enter at the bottom and get out of it at the top, but I have a high expectation that this pair is going to come to at least like right here on the long term. So I would like to get out with a good amount of profits from this position right here. And if the price starts to like lingering too much, I would I would probably like get out of it, because as you can see like right here the price just fucking goes on and on. Right here it did not goes on and on, but we got this weekend of war right here, so I can probably understand that. But right here he just like goes on and on, so I probably expect him to goes on and on right here as well. So I did not expect it to be like lingering around this area over here. So if I see this, I'd probably like get out, so I can prevent myself of staying like in bad trades. I also got in GBP AUD. GBP AUD also seems like a really great pair. My stop would be it was supposed to be like right here actually, but as we got this week right here, and as we got this type of move right here, this action right here, I would I just put it like above the highs right here, so it can be like more safe, right? And so it's basically like this. And you can see right now pricing have some kind of not retraction, but it's like a slow movement, moving a little bit slower and doing some wicks to the downside. But he did it right here. He did a huge wick to the upside right here. He did a huge green candle over here. He did all those touches right here before going down. So it is still in the plan. So I'm not too much wor- worried about it. We got AUJJPY just took off without us, and there's nothing that we can do about it. Our setup was mainly with this 20 EMA, but he's he already like start the move started the move up. So there's nothing I can do about it. And to his knee. Got to be just do what he please. Why this line is? Let me let me cross hair. Even a shoe shine he got. The jump foot out he got. Mom can fit in his shoe. Coca-Cola he say, I know you, you know me. Come together right now over me. This part is looking good, but I'm not gonna touch CHF CHF pairs for now because the 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 currency, the CHF currency, is looking like really weak for now. So I'm probably gonna wait for price to start breaking those lower highs right here, so I can start to look to CHF pairs again. But your CHF does look good. The NCT pairs used to be like really good pairs, but right now he's just like doing a big ass retraction. Um, I personally like don't know when this retraction is going to finish, or if it is going to finish. So look how look how those EMAs are like into each other right here. That's a fucking confusing. But this is a really great pair, as you guys can see right here. And it's one of those pairs that the price just go down. There's nothing much going on. It's just a matter of selling it, honestly. Something in the way she moves. No other lover. Something in the way she woos me. I wanna leave her now. You don't believe how. cat JPY, as I said to you guys on the previous video. Thankfully, I did not enter this shit right here because of this. This is a mainly changing the structure right here. So because I did not enter this, I prevented myself from taking a loss. That's cool. Both golden and silver look absolutely disgusting right now. There's no shit going on with those price action right here. Yeah, so that's basically like nothing for the week. I don't trade Bitcoin. I don't trade any of this shit right here. So I don't want to leave her now. You know I'm believing how. It'd be really good to get a good rejection from this EMA right here on the British pound currency. And we are pumping up on the AUD. That is looking beautiful for us. That is looking really beautiful for us. This is the cat. The cat is still holding those lows right here. Let me see the NZD. It would be really good to get some type of rejection from the ENZD EMA. All those EMAs are pointing to the downside, so it is also looking good for us. Yeah, guys. So that's basically it for today. Not nothing much going on. Not too much going on. I don't have too much to say. I don't have too much to analyze. I don't have too much to pay attention. I don't have too much to study. I don't have too much to do on those markets right here. I just have to wait for the GBP and the AUD NZD play out. I don't know how long it will take, but the other pairs they are not like looking good. They are not like looking. The ones that are like looking good right now, I just like simply don't trust them for now, like the CHF and or the CHF pairs. I don't trust any of those pairs, and yeah, we probably gonna have like some indexes trading better like on the next few weeks. We're gonna see how it goes because I think that the war is ending and I hope it ends because this price action sucks. But we're gonna see how it goes. If you get if if the war stops and we get primarily like Japan, uh, Spain, and United Kingdom indexes like running higher, we can catch some good setups, some good buy setups. So I'm not really like in times of trouble, Mother Mary's come to me, speaking in the words of wisdom, let it be. Let it be. Speaking in the words of wisdom, sometimes I just like to, you know, get into the markets and look for things and study how like price moves when when he is like doing some type of thing, you know, like right here when he's touching the 200 EMA, and I can like go right here and see how it looks on the other pairs. That is very cool. That is very cool. Yeah, that is gonna be it for today, guys. I not have too much going on these charts right here. I don't have too much to do on the market today. I don't have anything to study. I don't have anything to show to you guys. I don't have anything to tell you about. I just have to wait patiently for those opportunities right here to play out. I don't know if they gonna stop me. I don't know if they gonna go to my profit. I don't know if they gonna be a huge winner or a small loss. I don't fucking know. So that's basically it. Bye, guys. Have a great Tuesday.